Hello everybody. I'm in pain. We haven't not gotten stuff. We've gotten snow all the time, and then we've gotten rain. It's supposed to rain today, and I accidentally blew out my back yesterday, and it hurts. It's a lot better today than it was last night, but last night I felt like I was going through childbirth. That's how much it hurt. But right now I am at Walmart, and I'm excited to do some deals. It is a little bit past 8 o'clock. I wanted to go to my Goodwill after I'm done with my Walmart, and I have to wait until they open, so I thought I'm just gonna go a little bit later. But I was waiting for them to show a Weekend Warrior, and nothing popped up. It might pop up after that, but I do have like a Blizzard Bucks bonus where if I get 18 rebates I'll get $7. I'm not gonna hit the 18 rebates today. Last week was hot. I got 19 rebates at Walmart and 11 at Walgreens. I know. But I'm just gonna tell you guys this. I do use the shopping app. I've been getting a lot of people asking that. There'll be a day where you can't use the shopping app, and that's okay. But you know what? The thing is, these companies make a ton of money off of this stuff. So, and when you guys said just keep using it, yeah. There are things that I won't use together, and some people do. But this stuff, you know, with Ibotta, I don't like it how Ibotta price matches with like coupons now. I wish they were actual rebates instead of digital coupons. But hopefully that changes. But Ibotta is still one of my favorite apps. I'm almost hitting the $20,000 mark. I know it's crazy. But we're gonna go inside and share with you guys some deals. There's a deal that I'm debating I want to do. It's with DiGiorno Pizza and Lean Cuisine. There's like some rebates and stuff going on with that. I'm just debating on if I want to do that scenario or not, but we will see. But let's go inside and have some fun shopping while we're saving some money. So here we have the Poise pads. These are just $10 or $10.12 for 48 of them, okay? We currently have a couple deals that you can do. We have a $5 off digital coupon in the Shopping app. We also have $2 back that you can get back with the Ibotta app, and you get 475 kicks for buying them through this price mark, which is $1.90. So your grand total for this comes out to be just $1.76, which is a great deal. I did scan these, and none of these are scanned for the Shopping app, but still an awesome deal. My store has a ton of deodorant on clearance, but it is all messed up all over the place. But I did find one thing of deodorant. This is on clearance for $3. We currently have a $2 Ibotta rebate. You would just get this for $1, which is an okay deal. This is another repeat deal that I'm getting. We're gonna get the Bounty Essentials for $8.97. And then there's currently a $4 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 1, making this just $4.97, which I like to stock up on. So my store has this for just $3.98. You're gonna pay $3.98, but then there's an Ibotta rebate for $4 back. This ends up becoming free and a 2-cent moneymaker. My store finally has these bottles in stock, but these are $4.98, and you need the 28 ounce. There is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate, and then when you combine it with one of these items, you get a $4.50 bonus. So we're gonna get this for $4.98, and I'll show you the rest of the deal. The next thing you're gonna grab is one of the Gatorade Zeros. I scanned this one does not work, but the Glacier Freeze and the Orange does. I did not scan the Propels, or Propel, but these are $3.48. And then there is that $2 Ibotta rebate. So you're gonna get these for basically $1.48. But together you're gonna end up getting that bottle that is $4.98, and then you're gonna get the powder for $3.48. You will pay $8.46, but you'll get the $2 back, and then you also get that $2.50 back with Ibotta. And then for purchasing both of them, you get a $4.50 bonus. This ends up becoming just a 54-cent moneymaker. You get both of these items for free. Okay, you're gonna have to bear with me. This is a very long deal. So you're gonna get 2 of the DiGiorno Rising Crust pizzas for $6.96. then you're gonna buy 2 of the DiGiorno stuffed crust pizzas for $8.96. Now, before you buy them, make sure you guys check the UPC code on the DiGiorno website, because the one I was gonna do did not qualify. But I'm getting the 3-meat DiGiorno, and then I'm getting the pepperoni DiGiorno, and those ones do qualify. So what you're gonna do for that is we have $1 off of 2 for the rising crust with Ibotta. Then you get $1 back with Fetch Rewards for you'll get $2 back with Fetch Rewards. Then there is a deal where if you spend $12 for the red boxes, you get 1,000 points. If you spend $15 for the black boxes, you get $1.50 with Fetch Rewards. And then if you buy 1 red box and 1 black box, you get $1.50 back also with Fetch Rewards. Okay, so there is a deal where if you spend 10, you get a $10 rewards. Well, I'm buying $30 worth of pizza, so I'm going to get $30 back in a Fanatics gift card. Now, I'm going to do this all in one separate transaction just so because I'm going to be submitting my receipts, but we're going to combine this with another deal. You will then want to get 3 of the lean cuisines that are $3.47. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get 50 cents back with Ibotta, so you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta. But then there's a deal that we're going to combine it. So what you're going to do is get the 4 pizzas and the 3 lean cuisines. You will pay $42.25. $42.25. But please keep in mind, you get the $1.50 back with Ibotta for the lean cuisine. You get $2 back for the black boxes. You get $1 off of 2 for the red boxes. You get, with Shop Kicks, you get 200 kicks plus 5 kicks for purchasing and scanning it, which is 82 cents times 3. There's different deals that you can do. And then you can do the Fetch Rewards deal where you'll get $4 back. Then you also get $30 back for the DiGiorno pizza. And then there's also a deal where you get, if you spend $25, you get a $10 Visa Rewards card. If you spend $40, you get a $20 rewards card. So here we're getting $50 back already with rewards. So $20 back for Fandango rewards and then $30 back for Fanatics. This comes out to be a $18.71 moneymaker for buying 4 pizzas and 3 lean cuisines. So awesome, awesome deal. So here we have the Baja Blast for $2.28. There is a 750 point reward that you can get with Fetch Rewards. So you just get this for $1.53. I'm getting this for my husband because he likes to have a little snack here and there. Hello everybody, welcome back. I went to Walmart. Yes, you guys, Walmart. So a lot of that stuff, a lot of the personal care products were on clearance last week when I went there. They're even marked down even more this week. So if you guys are eyeing up some of that stuff, make sure you check. Some of the prices went down. I went over like in the Febreze aisle. That stuff was still the same price as it was last week, but a lot of it's like gone. So make sure you guys are price checking. Now, also, again, if you guys are trying to price check something and it doesn't show what it is, I know if you have Walmart Plus, you can do the scan and go, and you can scan it and it'll basically be a price checker for you. So I always do that because there's like some stuff that says like price unavailable, but then when you do that, that's what shows up. So, yeah. So, I wanted to get a lot more stuff. I did, but last week was so awesome. I had 19 rebates last week. This week, I didn't do as much. My Weekend Warrior was just not popping up, and I'm like, okay, maybe there isn't a Weekend Warrior. So if I need it, I needed to get 18 rebates for this like Blizzard bonus, and then I needed 18 rebates for the Weekend Warrior. So right now, I only need 8 more rebates to get the Weekend Warrior and this Blizzard thing. So I'm gonna try to either go to like my grocery store this weekend and see if I can get some Ibotta rebates or something like that, but otherwise, I get $5 and $7. I can't pass down, what, $13 or something like that? $12? $12. So yeah. So I got everything that you guys saw in the video. I did get the pizza bonus. The pizza thing, so it changed up a little bit. So I got the 4 pizzas. I got two of the red ones and then two of the black ones, okay? So I ended up scanning my receipts, and I got, when I scanned my receipt for Fetch Rewards, I actually got 3,000 points for buying the 4 pizzas, because I don't know what the limit is. This is just a screenshot of it, but I ended up buying 4 of the pizzas, 2 and 2. So I ended up getting $3,000 back, or 3,000 points back instead of the 1,500. So altogether, you guys would pay $42.25 for 4 pizzas and 3 lean cuisines, okay? You would get the $1 off of 2 and the $2 times 2 back with Ibotta. You get the 50 cents times 3 with lean cuisine, or with Ibotta. Then you'll get 205 points for purchasing 3 of the lean cuisines, which is 82 cents. Then you will get 1,000 points for spending $12 for the red pizzas. You get 15,000 points for spending 15, but then you get 15 points for buying 2 of the red, 1 red and 1 black. Well, since I bought 4 of them, I ended up getting 3,000 points. So I did say this was supposed to be a 20, or I did say originally it was supposed to be an $18 moneymaker, but since I got another extra 50, it ends up becoming a $20.21 moneymaker. 20 bucks, you guys can make a profit for buying those, what, 7 items? Great deal, great deal. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. I will try to put the links below for the 2 rebates. I did submit my receipt. They were both super easy. With DesignerJen, all I had to do was enter my email and a picture of my receipt, and with the Nestle, all I had to do was, again, enter all my information and then a picture of the receipt. So it says it takes a couple days to get. With that Pepsi deal I did last week, I did get my money yesterday, so it took almost 7 days to get. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But my total was $79.06. $79.06 for everything. With Ibotta, I did receive $21 back. With Shopkicks, I received 900 points, which is $3.60. Shopim, I only submitted my receipt for the Poise, which was $5, and I got my money back already. Fetch Rewards, I got 6,250 points. I did do 2 separate transactions because I did the Nestle DiGiorno deal in one. I did the lean cuisine and the DiGiorno in one transaction by itself because I just didn't want to deal with it being mistaken with anything else, and then I did everything else. But yeah, so Fetch Rewards, I got $6.25 back. For the Nestle deal, if you spend 25, you get 10, or if you spend 40, you get 20. So I will be getting $20 in a Visa gift card back from the Nestle deal. And then with the DiGiorno, every $10 you spend for DiGiorno, you get $10 back in rewards. It does say there's a limit of 10. So since I spent $30 worth of pizza, I will be getting $30 back. And that is for a Fanatics gift card. And I was originally going to do the $10 one, and then I'm like, you know what, we're not going to do the $10 one. We're going to do and then I was going to do a deal. I'm like, oh, you only need to spend like $1 more. And then I'm like, wait, we'll just get this one. So I'll be getting $30 back for DiGiorno, for Fanatics, and I plan on buying something like for literally 30 bucks, and then I'll pay for shipping or something like that. We will see what the options are. And then I also received that Gatorade $4.50 bonus, which is the Gatorade bottle and one of the powders. So I ended up getting that. So my grand total for everything, from $79, I got it all the way down to $11.29 moneymaker. I got everything for free, plus I made a profit, which I am pretty excited for. But yeah, if you guys are confused about the Nestle deal, I did my math multiple times, so if I mess up, I'm sorry, but I got it as close as I can be, so hopefully you guys can do it. I did buy 3 of the lean cuisines, and that did count for 3 of the bonuses, so if you buy 4 of like the $2.47 ones, you guys could do that. Then you'll get that $1 bonus, but I only need to buy 1 more lean cuisine to get the bonus, so that's okay. That's okay. I'm still happy with everything that I got. So if you guys enjoy this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. I hope you guys have an awesome shopping weekend. You guys can get some of those bonuses, and if I do anything besides Walgreens on Sunday to get those 8 bonuses, I'm gonna see what we can do. Hopefully I might even go back to Walgreens to buy more of those snacks, because that's a great deal. But again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye bye.